Hey everyone, I'm Mark Lugo, and if you've ever dreamed of turning your passion for design into a career, you're in the right place. On this channel, I'll show you how to master architectural and vehicle modeling from scratch, taking you from beginner to pro level. Imagine creating stunning 3D models that could land you freelance gigs or even your dream job. Ready to level up your skills and unlock new opportunities? Let's dive in. Awesome. Today, we're diving into a crucial step in modeling this stunning house in Blender, the staircase. But this won't be just any staircase. We're going for an elegant, cohesive design that matches the style we've maintained throughout the entire home. Ready to add that touch of luxury and harmony we've been aiming for? We'll start with the treads and risers, and here's an important detail. We're using the same marble we chose for the kitchen countertop. Why? Because material consistency is key to making a design feel unified and well thought out. We've already used this marble on some walls in the living and dining areas, so by repeating it on the staircase, we create a visual thread that ties all the spaces together. Just imagine how that natural shine and veining will give each step a premium look. But we won't stop there. To make sure the design is flawless, we'll also model a baseboard from the same material. This small detail will help the staircase blend seamlessly with the floor and walls, avoiding any harsh breaks that could ruin the final look. Once everything's in place, you'll see how every little element comes together to create a sophisticated, polished space. Now, let's talk about the handrail. We're not going with just any railing. This will be a sleek, modern glass design. This type of handrail doesn't just add safety, it also keeps the space feeling open and bright, which is essential for staircases. The glass allows light to flow freely and won't visually interrupt the marble's elegance. Doesn't the contrast between the solid marble and the transparent glass sound exciting? And to finish strong, we'll model a stunning double-height pendant light that will be the centerpiece of this space. The inspiration came from Pinterest, where I found breathtaking designs that blend modernity and warmth. This light fixture won't just illuminate the staircase. It'll also act as a sculptural element, drawing all eyes and adding that high-end designer touch every home deserves. But that's not all, because in the next video, we'll dive into the exciting world of bedroom interior design. We'll create spaces that aren't just beautiful, but also functional. And the best part? We'll replicate that same level of detail and style in every room. Imagine bedrooms with warm textures, strategic lighting, and furniture straight out of Decor magazine. So don't miss out. Every video brings us closer to completing this incredible blender house. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And of course, drop a comment below. What do you think of the staircase design? Would you like to see different materials or styles in future projects? See you in the next tutorial.